This is not just an apple. This is the fruit of your labor thanks to communication. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. Let's go back a few years to see how the story began. Look around. Communication is everywhere. Even the birds on the trees communicate, but it is much more than just talking. Communication is a growing field with experts who are creating innovative ways for information to be exchanged. However, the many misconceptions about communication can be very damaging to the field.
I would say it's a big risk.
Manipulation.
Yeah, bankrupt.
To conclude, bad public opinion. A professional communicator leaves his communication school with expertise and passion. He is ready to share this expertise with your company, nurturing it from the beginning while respecting your social and environmental values. There are many qualities that experts offer to create effective communication in your company, like educated decisions, cutting-edge ideas to differentiate your company from the competition, means of support, and strategic timing. The results are tools that will help your company bloom into a beautiful success. The fruit of your labor is the increased profit that your company works for. You can talk, we can communicate.